been working for this company for 41 years, and we've been doing Oscars since the early 80s. As soon as I tell someone what I'm doing, they go, oh yeah, we know that, and can we have one?
Thank you. And then right
Martin is assembling the mold. He's putting the various parts together. This is a small piece that makes the imprint for the reel of film. The next step after the casting is cutting the gate off. And basically the gate is that long tail that hangs out from the statue, which allows us to pour the metal into the mold. That's all there is to it. This is what a statue looks like after polishing. It needs to have a little bit more work. The first step is to plate in copper. After copper, nickel, fine silver, and 24 karat gold with an extra thick coating for the Oscars. After plating, we add the serial number to each statue, which is for security purposes.
There's an industrial diamond tip, and we trace through the letters that are mounted on the machine, and that puts the serial number on the back of the statue at the base of his feet.
So this is the Oscar statue. It's a simple screw in the bottom, and then a piece of felt, and it's ready to go into the bag for shipping.